I have my husband in the background. So, bought this during Black Friday. And I still haven't opened it. I haven't used it. So, reason being that Dyson, sorry for my no makeup look. I have my very old hair dryer. It took me maybe 7 to 8 years already. I have that same hair dryer and it's almost non-functional. So I decided to get the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. I was debating either to get this or the air wrap, but I just want a plain hair dryer instead of having the air wrap. Maybe next year, because I already have the Dyson Corral that I bought last year, June 2020, and now I bought this one. Just unboxing it, just removing the plastic wrapping. And since I got this during Black Friday, they have a lot of gifts included with this. I think this is the extra attachment, even the bag. I'll check which part of that here has this box and this one. So I'm using my new setup with my Reiki mirror and my glass vanity table, which I have in another video when I unboxed this mirror. And now I'm just using this. It's Valentine's Day. It's our, what time is it? It's almost 7 p.m. So we already celebrated Valentine's Day. I know, it took like maybe 2 months before I unboxed this one. Been very busy lately, so yeah, this is the box. So good thing I got this during Black Friday. So yeah, so the slide is, so there you go. Maybe I'll put this. There you go, so you'll see it much better. And the box. Dun, 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 dun. Alright. I chose purple because I love purple. So it looks like the main Supersonic dryer is here. I think this is the manual or user guide. Some of the attachments, the straightener one, I think, the regular one, and this one is for the diffuser. Okay, and the actual plug. My hair is a bit dry now. It was very damp earlier, so yeah. I know it's quite late of getting this Dyson already. It's been, how many years is it now that Dyson had this Supersonic? I don't remember when they exactly put out this Supersonic hair dryer, but I heard so many things about it that is actually really good. But it took me a while to actually buy it, because I still had the old dryer, but the old dryer is not even working properly anymore. So I got this. What happened now? Oh, there you go. Alright. So I got the purple one with the black matte exterior. Oh, it's quite light, huh? I didn't know it's quite light. And what's in this? this is the part where I should open it fully. Okay, maybe this is where they put some of the attachments, or when you try to put it on your table, you put it there, which is so that's the first box, the actual Dyson Supersonic, and I think there's a little bit of attachment there. Okay, so this is the main component: the hair dryer, the diffuser. Oops. There you go. And I have to read which one is which for the actual straightening one. And where's my... Yesterday I lost my cutter, the one that I really open for boxes. I don't know where I put it. Yeah, this is another free attachment, but this is new because I don't think they offered this before. This one I think is more of the one with the white comb that actually helps with a more curlier hair. I should have gotten the gentle one for the fine hairs. There you go. Use the attachment for this. I guess you just put it like that. Oh, it's magnetic. There you go. So that's one part. I think that's it for this. A little bit of, I think, a paper manual. Yeah. Put it on the side. And this one too. Okay, what's this? So I got the actual box. I chose the gold one. So when you want to just store your supersonic Dyson, you can put it on the box. Or I also chose the stand as the free gift included. I got this from the website, the actual website of Dyson. So because you can also get it from Nordstrom's, but during the time, because it's Black Friday, the one from the website has more gifts included. And yeah, Supersonic. There you go. It's the box. It's like their presentation box. I think it was designed, or the storage case. It was developed by James Dyson for this. It says here it has, this is the special edition presentation case that protects and neatly stores your Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. It is finished in gold. I chose the gold one, and with red stitching, and cushioned with soft fabric and secured by a magnetic clasp. Oh, it's so nice. it says here Dyson. Okay. It's really nice gift if you have, you know, your mom, your sister, your girlfriend, your wife. It's really nice to get them this for Valentine's Day. So you can put it there inside. Maybe just put it this one first. Ang hirap naman ilagay ito. Maybe I have to remove this so that it actually fits. Actually, this box, the storage box, you can just use it with another things you have. It looks like a jewelry box too, huh? So you can put maybe makeup brushes here, or any makeup or anything that you like if you don't use this as the box for your Dyson. Because if you got the stand, let me put that here. Okay. I also got the actual stand. It's already 12 minutes. Just unboxing this one. One of the reasons I chose the hair dryer, the Supersonic, instead of the air wrap. I know air wrap has already an attachment to actually dry your hair, but I just want it as this. And I guess there were some reviews that it's not too hot or that fast to dry your hair with the air wrap. And besides, I already have the Coral. I really love the Coral because Coral has, well, it has no wires. That I actually use it in the car when my husband is driving and we're running late because of me again. So what did you guys do during Valentine's Day? Did you actually went to a restaurant? Did you went out? Or like a staycation? Okay. These boxes are quite solid, huh? Hindi siya madaling masira, in fairness. This one is such substantial. It's actually quite substantial. A bigger shot. It's quite heavy. Okay. Is that it? Is there any manual? No? Oh, here it is. Ah, okay. So I put this here. You slide it in to the bottom part. Okay, there you go. And you can just press this to actually take it out, but we'll leave it like that. And it says here, once you heard the click, that's it. And then you can put on the very bottom the two attachments. Okay, which one is which first? Okay, so the bottom one is this one. Just click it like that. Oh, because it's quite magnetic. Sorry, you're not seeing it. So there you go. right? And then this one, there you go. This is so nifty. Good thing it's actually magnetic, so it doesn't really go away unless you really. And the diffuser, you put it on the bottom as like this. There you go. I thought this is magnetic though. Top. And it's purple. Oops. And then this one is actually and then this one is actually on the top bit, because remember this one has this. Oops. So this one has this part that actually goes to the hair dryer, and this on the bottom. So this goes magnetically here. Oops. There you go. All set. So there you go, the actual stand. And you just plug it in. Oops, and then be coordinated. There you go. Okay. And this, I'm not sure where to put this one, because there's no extra slot for this, because this is the extra gift that they gave. Maybe if I move this, maybe, there you go. If I put it there, I can actually use that there. And there you have it. Dyson Supersonic unboxing. I can't believe I actually got it. I'm so excited to actually get it now. You know, because sometimes you just have to treat yourself. Yes, honey, treat yourself. But you know, it took me 7 years. It took me 7 years to actually get it. Do you actually read the manuals? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. No? So they have their warranty, but I think you just have to activate it online, registration. With this. Okay. Now to actually throw away the boxes. I always keep the manual just in case I need it. Even with this. Alright, and we're all set. Should I try it right now? It's already 20 minutes video. I guess there's a lot of videos already for the review for the Dyson. Sorry, I keep looking my viewfinder. There's already a lot of review for this. So maybe I don't really need to review this for you. Just want to unbox it. And I'm so happy I got it. Be. Be. Thank you for watching, guys. Sorry it might be a long video, just unboxing the Dyson with me. I really love it. This matte black with purple. Oh, I love it. This one is matte black with Dyson Bear. And there's a little bit of shiny black here in the handle. In fairness, it's not heavy at all. I was expecting that it's quite heavy. But no, this one's quite light. I think most of the actual, what you call it, component to dry your hair is on this one. This one is the only part that's a little bit substantial, but this one is quite light. So when you touch it here, it's just quite light. So I'll use it. Oh no, it's my hair is almost dry. I can't believe my hair is actually shorter now. Finally. My head feels lighter with a shorter hair. So I haven't dried my hair yet. This is just air dry. I didn't dry my hair. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If not, I'm sorry. But I hope you keep on watching. And see you to my next video.